Good morning, this is Sakina Yusuf from Radio Chinar and you are watching today's top 10 headlines. Police claims to have arrested one Muntazir Manzoor, resident of Pulwama, Kashmir with arms and ammunition at Jammu. Inordinate delay in commissioning of the new children hospital can be detrimental for children in case they are affected by possible third wave of COVID-19, experts said. The National Investigation Agency team on Sunday carried out raids at many places in Kashmir and arrested several persons, including the chairman of an Islamic seminary in case connection with a terror funding case. The NIA team along with Jammu and Kashmir police and CRPF raided several places in Anantnag and Srinagar districts in connection with the case registered 10 days ago, leading to the radicalization in the Indian subcontinent. Jammu and Kashmir government Sunday said that all education institutions in the Union Territory shall continue to remain closed till July 31st. Diplomats from Afghanistan visited the Taj Mahal on Sunday morning and enjoyed their stay at the iconic moment amid the weekly lockdown imposed in the city on Saturday and Sunday to curb COVID-19 infections. Jammu and Kashmir RTI movement has filed a complaint before the National Commission for Minorities against the authorities for having failed to provide adequate number of female ECG technicians in government hospitals. Nothing that India has many talented people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday invited people and those doing exceptional work at the grassroots to nominate for Padma Awards 2022. Security forces continuing searches in the upper reaches of Rajouri district on the third consecutive day on Sunday. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah on Sunday said that two units of the party having submitted separate memorandums to the Delimitation Commission was because issues pertaining to Jammu are different as compared to those in Kashmir. The Department of Food Science and Technology, University of Kashmir, in collaboration with Mountain Agriculture Research and Extension Station, Gurez of Sher-e Kashmir, University of Agricultural Science and Technology, Kashmir, conducted a 5-day Civricum training program at different locations of Gurez and Tulel. With this, we are come to end this program. For latest updates, stay connected with Radio Chinar News.